Welcome to this video tutorial, where we'll explore one of the most powerful features of MapLibreGL filtering by features. If you're working with geospatial data, being able to filter your maps can greatly enhance the user experience and help viewers quickly find the information they need. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how to use MapLibreGL's filtering capabilities to display only specific features on your map. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to filter by features in MapLibreGL. So why is filtering by features important? Imagine you're building an application that displays points of interest on a map. Without filtering, all points would be shown at once, potentially overwhelming the user and making it difficult for them to find what they're looking for. By applying filters, you can display only specific types of points, such as restaurants or museums, allowing users to focus on the information that matters most. MapLibreGL provides several ways to filter features, including by attribute values, spatial relationships, and even temporal conditions. Let's break down each of these methods so we can understand how they work. Firstly, filtering by attribute values allows you to display only features with specific attributes or property values. For example, if your dataset includes a field for building types, you could filter the map to show only residential buildings. This is done using MapLibreGL's expression language, which provides a flexible way of specifying conditions. Another powerful method of filtering in MapLibreGL is by spatial relationships. This allows you to display features based on their proximity or intersection with other geographic shapes. For instance, if you want to show only points that fall within a certain city boundary, you can use the intersects operator to filter your map. Lastly, temporal conditions enable you to filter features based on time attributes. If your dataset includes timestamps for events, you could filter the map to display only those events happening during specific times of the day or days of the week. Understanding these methods and how they work is crucial for effectively filtering by features in MapLibreGL. By combining different conditions and operators, you can create complex filters that cater to various use cases and provide your users with a more tailored experience. So, what are the key points we've covered so far? Firstly, we discussed why filtering by features is important for enhancing user experience on geospatial applications. We then explored MapLibreGL's methods for filtering, including attribute values, spatial relationships, and temporal conditions. Each of these methods provides a way to narrow down the data displayed on your map based on different criteria. For effective filtering in MapLibreGL, it's essential to understand how to use the expression language to specify conditions and combine them using logical operators. Additionally, being able to leverage spatial and temporal relationships can help you create more sophisticated filters that better serve your application's needs. That concludes our tutorial on how to filter by features in MapLibreGL. We hope this video has provided a comprehensive to the subject and will be useful as you work with MapLibreGL for your own geospatial project. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we covered, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. We also invite you to engage more with our content by liking this video if it was helpful and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides related to mapping and geospatial development. Your support helps us continue producing high-quality educational material for the developer community.